What's up, broskies? We are here at the fucking canyons, but we're about to leave like really quick because there's a lot of fucking mosquitoes. Too many fucking mosquitoes, bro.
Fuck yeah, man. Stop littering around here, people.
Well, the trash can's right there, fool. No mames, I can't. No, for reals, boy. I can't even do this shit right now.
Fuck.
Fool, let's go. Fuck. We just got here, but we're gonna leave. Fuck this shit. Too many mosquitoes. I brought the 370. She runs pretty good. She's too loud though. I keep saying it. Look at my car. Full of fucking mosquitoes. No mames. Alright, let's switch out to the GoPro. Broski, so I tried doing some donuts as we left from that spot, but I don't know, kind of feels weird. Maybe because of the suspension and all that shit. It's kind of hard. It's totally fucking different on a stock car than a car that's already like kind of set up for drifting. That shit was fun, regardless. We're going downhill right now. Fucking JP's behind me. Gonna go back. Initially we were gonna go to a car meet, but that shit was kind of far, so GMR is only like 10 minutes away from me, so we came over here instead just to cruise the canyons. That fucking exhaust is so annoying. I want to take that shit off already. It sounds cool like right now as I'm cruising like through the canyons and shit, but I know, like driving it on the street, that shit gets annoying. I'm tired of that shit. But for now, it's alright. Over JP. Woohoo! Too many bikers, bros. Too many bikers, broskies. I don't even want to smash anymore. Sunglasses. I don't like wearing them though. Wait. Hold on, broskies. Agárrense a la verga. Ah, fuck. I gotta wait for JP. I don't know, I think he's scared. He's scared of his bike. Ahí viene. Alright, broskies, we're here at a chill spot. There's a couple cars right here, a couple show cars. I just saw them and then I just fucking straight came in here and fucking JP went straight. So he should be coming any minute though. I'm a fucking dick. My bad, JP. Look at him, there he comes. What's up, bro? What happened?
Fucking cold.
I wonder what they're gonna do. Are they gonna fucking sesh or what? What are they gonna do, fool? Sesh or what? You think?
Huh?
You think?
I doubt it.
Huh?
I doubt it.
Maybe they are, fool. Nah, I doubt it, huh? They're too clean, no? Turn off your bike, fool. Full lock? Nah, look at it. Says full lock. Ay, wait, no mames. Damn, look at those fucking wheels. Fucking wheels are hard, fool. Look at my yonke right here. Puro pinche yonke. What's up? Puro yonke. Hey broski, so fucking JP claims he's doing 100 in his bike.
Right now, passing by right now.
That's a sick ass shirt.
Thanks, fool.
Hey broskis, get your merch. Get pedo. We haven't been selling any shirts. What's up?
You buy one, get one off today.
No mames. JP pays for the other one.
Yeah, right.
Damn. Look at this fucking stock ass car. Stock for the win.
Wow, you're mad at cigarettes.
Look at this shit. Pinche gente puerca, look. They fucking come, they eat, and they leave all their trash right here. Pinches gente cochina. Look at this shit. And then they eat fucking Taco Bell. Fucking chorro for sure. So beautiful over here. What do you guys think, broskies? Sexy as fool. You gonna go home?
Yeah.
Fucking pussy.
What?
I love you.
I don't love you.
Ah, you fucking dick. Later.
Huh?
Later. I said I'm burnt out, fool. No quema. Yeah, right. Hey, you guys saw? You guys heard that shit? I shifted with my left hand. I was like, yeah. But nah, fuck that. I don't street race anymore with my homies because fucking years back, I would race my homie all the time. Like the first time we raced, he fucking crashed because he didn't want to let off, you know? And then the second time we ran it, I fucking crashed. So ever since then, don't fucking run against your homies. Like I run, you know? You're both not gonna let off, you know? You don't want your homie bragging that he beat you and shit. So don't race against your homies.